Assalamu alaikum friend, welcome to Learning Place. I hope we are fine. Today in this video I will be tell you how to download any image gallery in a minute. Before our video starting, if you do not subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel and support my channel and like my video, and if you any problem, please contact on my comment section. I will solve your problem, I helping you. No, I am going to my video and wasting a time. So in this video I use Extreme Image Finder software, and using the software, this software image gallery with dynamite downloaded. If you do not registered your Extreme Image Finder, please go on my channel and see my video. Last time I make this video on Extreme Finder how to register. I provided you link on description. Please go on and register your Extreme Finder. So I am going. First of all, I need girl HD wallpaper. So I needed this all image in one time. So very good image I needed, but I save every picture on every click, wasting a time. No, I am going my Extreme Finder. No, Extreme Picture Finder, click. If you do have any URL, I am going to this URL. If you download any URL within a URL image, no, you paste on a new project, you make a new project and paste on URL. I do not. I search web image. No, I click on and I do not this image download. Only copy this URL and make a new project. I checked you new project and paste, and then next click and next click. No, we have any type of image download. In this video I needed PNG and JPG. No target of size of image limit. If you have needed less than KB on, no minimum KB. If you need above on 30 KB, you customize in enter and large than. So I no need and click on next and finish. No, within a URL entry image, no downloaded started. So see, then I stopped and checked you all image. So stop and we see first image, then second, and then I checked you. So first image this girl, so second image this baby, so I miss this missing, so maybe scroll down. But I in this video main reason on copy this and going to web search and paste. No require URL. So full image says, thumbnail says, any image says, so all image, and then click on next. So we search on Google, Bang, yeah, other website. Then I checked on Google or search only this keyword on search on Google. So next and category. If you search category, select category. No, I need a category. Then next and go on. If you need advanced search, go on, click on check mark advanced search. No, intermediate, start and search finish. No, we see starting on going. Let's go. Now see you few seconds wait, starting this process. So do not process. First you need this keyword. So again this keyword HD, next, and only Google, Flickr, Naver, and then click and finish. No, we stay this image process starting. No, very good. So very good. No require of your any time wasting your time. Your gallery is very, you needed any picture, then you save this image, save on your PC. I check you who save this folder. No, I stopped, I checked you, we very good. So I stopped this and I checked you how to save on a folder. Go on to your library image. So go on your install name of your PC, go on my document, and then click on image picture download. So go on downloaded and extreme picture finder, and last time I research HD. So we see so no HD image thumbnail, no. So you see I keyword are search HD wallpaper, and we see this all image on save on your PC is very good. No, click every image and save. If you have any problem, please contact my comment section. I solve your problem. This video ended. Thank you for watching my video and supporting my